Now we can move to binomial into binomial. Now we can move to binomial into binomial into binomial. Binomial into binomial. Yes. So first sum, 2x square y minus of xy into 3xy minus 5. Minus 5. So here we will be distributing it term by term. So first we will be converting into 2 monomial into binomial and then monomial into monomial. The most important multiplication. So here what is the process? We will be multiplying one factor by one term first and the second term second. Either you can multiply this way or you can multiply this way. If you multiply this way, it is distribution from the left, and if you multiply this way, it is distribution from the right. So what is the process here? Process here means term by term you go on multiplying. So here what is the first term? It is 2x square y. What we are multiplying? We are multiplying this entire term. We are multiplying entire term, or you can assume in this particular fashion also. How we can assume? We can assume it as x. So this into x, this into something like that. So here it is 2x square y into bracket 3xy minus 5, and then second one minus of xy into bracket 3xy minus 5. 3xy minus 5. So now it is reduced to monomial into monomial. Monomial into binomial, two terms. So then what we have to do? We have to reduce it to again monomial into monomial. So that is 2x square y into 3xy, then plus 2x square y into minus 5, and then minus of xy into 3xy, and finally minus of xy into minus 5. Minus of xy into minus 5. So now 1, 2, 3 and finally 4. So here you can, for your convenience, you can write down plus sign. Here also for your convenience you can write down plus sign. So now we can go to this concept. So here it is 1 by 1. Plus into plus is plus, 2 into 3 is 6, x square into x is x cube, y into y is y square. Then here again plus. Plus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, or sign. Plus into minus is minus, 2 into 5 is 10, then x square y, because there is no variable. So again plus into bracket. See, here it is minus and here it is plus, plus minus minus, here it is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, x into x is x square, y into y is y square. Again plus. Again plus. So what it is? Minus into minus is plus, 1 into, see here it is 1, here it is 5, 1 into 5 is 5, and what that variable part is xy. So let us simplify now. See 6 x cube y plus into minus is minus 10 x square y, and then plus into minus is again minus, that is 3 x square y square, and then plus into plus is plus, so that will be 5xy. 5xy. So this is binomial into binomial. Now what it is? It is binomial into binomial. So let us take one more sum. Let us take one more sum. 3x square plus 2x into 2x square plus 3. So, I may go through detail. So, let us consider one of the factors to be x or y. See, let us consider, I will consider this factor to be y. So, if we write down in this particular fashion, how will be writing? Y into bracket 2x square plus 3, detailed convention, detailed convention. So, here what it is, monomial into binomial. So, how it will be? Y into 2x square plus y into 3. So, now you can substitute for y. What our y is? It is 3x square plus 2x, then into 2x square. And what our y is? See, this is y is 3x square plus 2x, and what it is outside? Into 3. So, here we will be distributing from the right. Here we will be distributing from the right. So, what it is now? Say 3x square into 2x square plus 2x into 2x square, then plus 3x square into 3 plus 2x into 3. See here, fortunately all the terms are positive only, so you need not worry about the signs. So, hence you can directly take the products. So, what is the first product? 3 into 2 is 6, x square into x square is x fourth. Here 2 into 2 is 4, x into x square is x cube. See here 3 into 3 is 9, x square is x square, and here 3 into 2 is 6 and x is x. So, in this particular fashion we can take the product of binomials. Binomials. So, now we can move it directly. How we can do directly? By thinking and writing directly. By thinking and writing directly. 2m cube plus 3m into 5m minus 1. So, you will be requiring this one for higher studies. So, here how we will be distributing it? Term by term. So, first we will multiply this factor by first term. So, whenever we multiply, we have to think only of monomial multiplication, that is sign into sign, number into number and variable into variable. So, we go on choosing. So, let us plan our multiplication. Let us plan our multiplication. How we will be multiplying? We will be multiplying 2m cube into 5m, 2m cube into minus 1, then we will be multiplying 3m into 5m, and then we will be multiplying 3m into 1. So, totally we will get 4 terms. So, these are all monomial multiplications only, and how we will be multiplying monomial term? Sign into sign, number into number, variable into variable. See, this is first into first, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 5 is 10, m cube into m is m fourth. So, then first into second, that is plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2, m cube, no variable is there, so that will be m cube. So, first term duty is over. So, now we can come to second term. Here plus, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 5 is 15, m into m is m square. And now last term, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 1 is 3, and here it is m. So, if you go on saying and writing, mathematics will be always easy. So, say loudly and write down the term, then it will be easy. So, these are the 3 methods. The second one is detailed one, first one is little short, and the third one is the shortest, which we will be requiring in our higher classes. So, now we will